Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, Libras. So these are for your general energies, Libras. So let's start with these cards here. We have tree, ring, and fish. So Libras, with these cards, you are getting some great opportunities today, guys. Maybe in your career, you are signing some important deals, some agreements, something which is pushing you towards a positive growth in your career, and you are moving towards a greater responsibility in life, guys. Maybe you are working with a greater dedication and planning, and you are working with greater commitment hereafter, and you are in an important position in life, maybe in your career, or again it may be in your personal life. Maybe you are getting engaged or planning to get married, so you are being really responsible, planning things out, planning for your future together. So lot of planning and dedication is happening in your situation, guys, Libras, and you are working towards a stable and secure future for yourself, guys. You are trying to bring that understanding between you both in this love, in this relationship, and you're working through stability. And maybe for some of you, this may be a karmic cycle, guys, this relationship, and that is the reason you feel so familiar or that close connection with this person. You feel really connected to them, attracted to them deeply, and very familiar. Even at the first time when you would have met them, you would have felt so close to them. The words they speak or the way they are, it looks very familiar to you, guys, in some ways, and you are really you feel really close to this person you love. And maybe it is something, what to say, something magical. That is what I see, guys. Something like a magical feeling you have when you are with them. That great attraction is there for you both, guys. And I also see that you are going to taste success and prosperity, abundance in your situation, guys. Things are going in a very positive way in your life today. And maybe for some of you, you are very successful, you are spending on too many things. Maybe you need to go for moderation, guys, if you are spending, or if you are successful, if you want to invest your finances somewhere, and what you're doing right now, you have to think it through, think about the pros and cons, because you are going to be extremely successful and you're going to handle a lot of money, and you should be really careful, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Mountain. So what we saw with the previous cards, it is different from what we see here. So maybe there are some troubles in this connection, in this love, guys. There are lots of hurdles, but you will find the right thing to do for yourself, guys, in this love, in this connection. Maybe your situation is overwhelming, there may be obstacles in your path, but you are finding the creative solution for that to resolve your situation. You are having that will and determination to make things work for yourself, for this love, guys. So that is what I see with this card. Let's see what is the card for your, sorry guys, career situation. It is Fox. So with this card in your career situation, there is someone who is um posing as a friend or a colleague, but their intentions are not good, guys. So you need to be really careful, Libras. So that is the reading for your Libras. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement, or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.